Edmonton rental market statistics, August 2025. Edmonton, Alberta, a vibrant northern city and the capital of Alberta, experienced continued growth and dynamism in its rental market throughout August 2025. Known for its affordability, thriving university population, and expanding economy, Edmonton continues to attract a diverse mix of renters. This report provides a comprehensive overview of rental unit availability, pricing, and trends across the city's varied neighborhoods. Unit types and availability. In August 2025, the market expanded significantly with two-bedroom units leading availability at 2,504 unique units, followed closely by one-bedroom apartments with 2,408 unique listings. Basement suites continue to provide essential affordable housing with 1,060 unique listings, while detached houses maintain strong presence with 995 unique listings, ideal for families seeking space and privacy. Townhouses followed with 868 units, offering a balance between apartment living and full house rentals. Main floors provided 458 listings, while duplexes presented 393 listings for those desiring semi-private homes. Studios offered 344 units for budget-conscious renters, and rooms provided the most economical solution with 264 units available. Unit types distribution. Distribution among the 9,722 total unique rental units tracked this month breaks down as follows. 2-bedroom, 26%. 1-bedroom, 25%. Basement, 11%. House, 10%. Townhouse, 9%. Main floor, 5%. 3-bedroom, 4%. Duplex, 4%. Studio, 3%. Room, 3%. The market shows a healthy shift toward 1- and 2-bedroom units, reflecting Edmonton's appeal to young professionals and couples. Basement suites continue to underscore the city's reliance on secondary units for affordability, while the substantial inventory of houses and townhouses offers flexible options for larger households. Current average rental prices. Edmonton remains an affordable alternative to major markets like Vancouver or Toronto, with solid pricing options for both budget and premium renters. Houses, $2,440. 3-bedroom, $2,090. Duplex, $2,051. Main floor, $1,974. Townhouse, $1,923. 2-bedroom, $1,803. 1-bedroom, $1,419. Basement, $1,240. Studio, $1,154. Room, $809. The price per square foot ranges from $1.19 for rooms to $2.56 for studios, demonstrating the premium placed on private, compact living spaces. Studio market summary. Studios offered excellent entry-level accommodation with monthly rents ranging from $779 to $2,150, averaging $1,154, a modest increase from July's $1,113. With 159 daily listings available, studios are best suited for students, downtown commuters, and renters prioritizing simplicity and low utility costs. At $2.56 per square foot, studios command the highest per square foot pricing due to their efficiency and downtown locations. Monthly average studio availability. Studio availability showed some volatility throughout August, ranging from 116 to 141 units. The month began with solid availability at 135 units, experienced a mid-month dip to 116 to 120 units, then recovered to finish at 126. This pattern suggests healthy turnover and consistent demand. 1-bedroom market summary. 1-bedroom units averaged $1,419, with price points from $825 to $4,350, representing a $62 increase from July's average. This segment provided an impressive 917 listings per day, attracting solo renters, professionals, and couples. At $2.29 per square foot, 1-bedrooms offer excellent value for independent living. Monthly average 1-bedroom availability. Availability remained robust throughout the month, starting at 750 units and fluctuating between 717 and 774 units. A notable dip occurred in the final week, dropping to 717 to 747 units, likely reflecting increased leasing activity as students and professionals secured housing before fall. Two-bedroom market summary. With an average price of $1,803 and a wide price span of $1,025 to $7,800, two-bedroom units offered 952 listings daily, more than double July's availability. This segment is ideal for roommates, couples working from home, or small families seeking flexibility. At $2.03 per square foot, two bedrooms provide excellent space-to-cost ratios. Monthly average two-bedroom availability. Supply levels showed interesting patterns, starting at 720 units and peaking at 765 near month-end. A mid-month dip around 692 to 708 units was quickly recovered, indicating strong turnover and healthy market dynamics. The month finished strong with 759 available units. Three-bedroom market summary. Three-bedroom units, priced between $1,250 and $4,800 and averaging $2,090, served as Edmonton's premium family-oriented rentals. Daily availability increased significantly to 150 units compared to July's 23, suggesting expanded inventory for larger households. At $1.87 per square foot, three bedrooms offer the best value for families requiring space. Monthly average three-bedroom availability. Availability remained consistently strong, fluctuating between 125 and 152 units. The month began with 125 units, peaked at 152 in early August, then stabilized around 127 to 140 units through month-end, reflecting steady demand from families and larger households. House market summary. Detached houses commanded a premium, averaging $2,440 with a price range of $550 to $11,500, showing remarkable diversity in the market. There were 335 daily listings, making Edmonton one of the few Canadian cities where single-family rentals remain accessible. At $1.60 per square foot, houses provide excellent value for space and privacy. Monthly average house availability. Availability showed consistent growth throughout the month, increasing from 318 to 361 units. This upward trend highlights seasonal listing cycles, with families relocating before the school year and continued demand for detached living driving market activity. Duplex market summary. Duplexes averaged $2,051 per month, with prices from $750 to $3,500. An average of 140 units were available each day, appealing to renters seeking semi-private layouts at competitive pricing. At $1.57 per square foot, duplexes offer an excellent middle ground between apartments and houses. Monthly average duplex availability. Availability remained stable throughout August, ranging from 138 to 151 units. The market showed healthy consistency, starting at 139 units and finishing at 146. With a notable peak of 151 units mid-month, confirming strong and steady market performance. Townhouse market summary. Townhouses averaged $1,923, ranging from $900 to $5,550. Daily supply reached 326 listings, making them a strong option for families preferring multi-level living and community-oriented environments. At $1.61 per square foot, townhouses provide excellent value for multi-level living. Monthly average townhouse availability. Availability showed dynamic patterns, ranging from 296 to 358 units. The month began with 304 units, experienced growth through mid-month peaking at 358, then stabilized around 330 to 340 units. This suggests strong seasonal interest in family housing options. Main floor market summary. Main floor units offered pricing between $650 and $4,800, with an average of $1,974 per month. These units provide the comfort of house living without the full expense, with 176 units available daily. At $1.46 per square foot, main floors offer some of the best value in Edmonton's market. Monthly average main floor availability. Availability started strong at 184 units, peaked at 198 mid-month, then declined to 169 to 174 units by month-end. This pattern suggests increased leasing activity as tenants secured above-ground living arrangements with private entries. Basement market summary. Basement suites remain one of Edmonton's most valuable affordable housing solutions. Average rent stood at $1,240, ranging from $450 to $2,650, with 379 listings daily. At $1.71 per square foot, basements provide excellent affordability for budget-conscious renters. Monthly average basement availability. Stability was a key feature, with availability consistently between 377 and 406 units. The month began with 406 units, experienced some fluctuation around 377 to 400 units, and finished at 385. Their consistent presence reinforces their role as essential long-term affordable housing. Room market summary. Rooms represented the city's most economical rental solution, averaging $809 per month with a range from $450 to $2,800. There were 104 daily listings, ideal for students, part-time workers, or transitional tenants. At $1.19 per square foot, rooms offer the most affordable entry point into Edmonton's rental market. Monthly average room availability. Availability remained steady throughout the month, ranging from 100 to 117 units. Starting at 106 units, availability peaked at 117 mid-month, then settled to 100 to 104 units by month end, indicating consistent demand for budget-conscious housing and shared accommodations. Monthly utility expenses. Only 13.63% of listings included utilities in the rent, a decrease from July's 18.86%, making it essential for tenants to budget separately for electricity, heating, and water. This trend towards separate utility billing requires careful budgeting, especially relevant in winter when energy use increases substantially. Pet policy. An impressive 60.25% of listings were pet-friendly, a significant increase from July's 49%, demonstrating Edmonton's increasingly tenant-friendly policies. This makes the city notably more accessible to renters with pets than many other urban centers in Canada, reflecting landlords' recognition of pet owners as responsible tenants. Terms of lease. Lease agreements strongly favored stability, with 92.07% of listings offering long-term options compared to only 7.93% allowing short-term arrangements. This represents a slight increase in long-term preference from July's 91.72%, potentially limiting flexibility for newcomers or temporary workers but providing stability for both landlords and established tenants. Conclusion. The market demonstrates exceptional diversity, with robust availability across all unit types and price points. From affordable room rentals at $809 to premium houses reaching $11,500, Edmonton accommodates every budget and lifestyle. The city's improved pet friendliness and continued emphasis on long-term leasing stability make it an attractive destination for both newcomers and established residents. Thank you for watching. If you found this report valuable, please subscribe to our channel Rent Sell Buy for monthly updates and in-depth market insights. Don't miss our upcoming September Edmonton rental market update, where we'll continue tracking trends, pricing changes, and availability across all property types. Stay informed and make better rental decisions with our data-driven reports.